Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display hinges from a Dell Latitude 5580. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew bracket and disconnect antenna cables. Next, remove wireless card. Now unscrew, then remove bracket and display cable. Next, unscrew and remove hinge covers. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unsnap LCD bezel, working your way around the edges of the screen. Next, unscrew and remove hinges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.